Ooh, jump F.
People are not matching out that stagger.
Yeah, and he's immediately...
It's really annoying.
Immediately in the corner.
How many lags each other? Delay?
Probably 1 or 2.
Of delay.
Oh yeah, I heard there were like connection issues.
Yeah, the West Coast lobby. Yeah, everybody was way too far apart.
Yeah.
Ooh, H. 6 heavy slash, 2K, 5 heavy slash. Whoa. Nice, confirm. Drops the air dash combo.
Who's up? I was talking to Ruu, sorry guys. Oh, DP's out. That was supposed to be his time in the air. And he just got his second jump heavy slash, and he lost round because of that. 6 heavy slash, 2K. Too far for a punish. 6 heavy slash. Jumps out. Jump heavy. Stun dipper. No confirm. That was technical. Come on, guys. Just play a little bit better. Let's try it. Let's try short thing bunny, guys.
Go.
Oof.
Nice. Nice. Good setup. Ooh. I like that even though it's mounts nothing.
Oh.
Gets the knockdown though. Wake up 2P. 6P.
6P.
Knockdown.
Oh, cross up.
Cross up JK? I didn't know that you could cross up with that. Wow.
Try to slide under the stun edge.
Backdash, jump slash, and the heavy slash set.
Ooh.
Wow! What a clash! That was good burst and jump easy, didn't. Still got really good damage off him.
Oh no! Counter hit.
Good burst.
That crush.
Good jump slash. Nice. Lost Soul slayed the name of Lesser KV number 1 with his short thing buddy behavior.
Corner carry.
Who gets top? Oh, that drops the end of the 5 PP. Both are like equal life.
Oh, he goes for the throw.
Yeah. It's anyone's game right now. Anti-agree saber.
6P.
Base the first gear up and jump ease.
Oh. Not by
Knockdown.
DP.
That was he trying to save jump?
What did he? I don't know.
Isaiah tried to air throw him because he thought Marvisto was gonna try.
Air dash back over, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blows up all the swords with every slash. Every single sword. Every single sword.
What an air throw. Yo.
What an air throw.
Let's go, Marv.
Pause on Ramlethal's face. That was surely the face of short thing, buddy.
I think Isaiah should change to Chocolate Ram. The Snow Bunny Ram is not working out right now. He's committed though. He's committed.
The air throw was actually ridiculous.
It's pretty low.
How much of an air throw was that? That was like 6 out of 5 air throws. Yeah. Like
got him.
to 10 out of 10 dentists think that he got air throw.
That stagger is a lot better than you think because I've only seen a couple people be able to do the max mash out speed.
Does anyone know the score of the players? I'm up 2.
Chaz is up 1. And the other 3 are 0 and 3.
Isaiah was definitely not expecting that to hit. There was no reason for Marv to actually get hit by that.
Whoa. What's with these drops?
Oh. Plus, it don't matter. PRC goes
Try to air throw. Oh no!
Counter hit.
Gets him in the corner.
Whoa.
Base the mash. Get the sword out of there, please. Oh no, not like this, please.
He gets that flash sword back.
Oh my god, and he hit.
Wow. That was clutch. Ooh, got him. Oh yeah.
What a confirm.
Nah, it's too far. Oh.
Punish, yep. Good punish.
Nice.
Very good punish.
Yeah. Now we get this cool mix-ups. He messed up the YRC, but whatever.
Please take out that guy. I'm begging you.
Nobody, dude, it's hard.
That was incredibly free. Is it 1-1 right now?
Yes, yes, yes. It's 1-1.
Okay.
Let's play.
It's hard to mash out of that, Josh.
Josh broke his pad trying to mash out of that.
That's why I have no heavy slash button on my PS4 pad. I use this whack ass PSP pad.
You're not gonna get a new one?
Alright, game 3. Ooh, 2D, Foozies! Can we get some 2 spicies in the chat, please? For the Foozies right there. Throw. Caught to the 2D.
I thought.
Throw back in the corner. Yes, meter, overhead.
Alright, whatever. Marv thinks he can run this back. Alright. Slash sword back. Then normal. Oh, nope.
Stun Debra. The neutral.
That's 6p hit. So far away.
Nope.
Oh,
Throw.
no.
Oof, base the mash. No counter hit though.
Wow.
Throw. Hey. Jump over, air dash back S. Whoa, no confirm off the IAD jump S.
No confirm off forward slash and crossing.
Second sword messed him up.
Whoa, drops it. Far slash Darrow, the classic. Dropping combos.
Oh, doesn't matter.
Whoa, try to reset, yeah. That's plus. Marv got his burst back too.
Tries to throw, drops it, but you know, from the 2D, Sun Edge blocks it.
Oh.
Ooh! Where the confirms at, please? Finish your combos.
Wow.
Overhead.
Oh god.
Molly wanted that burst. OTG?
Nope.
Nope. Good time. Wow. I kept going.
Oh, that was almost. Oh, just kidding. That's nice. That's just kidding. I wish more of these combos were short things, buddy.
Hey, dust.
5D, the Lord of Netplay.
What?
You're gonna blitz.
Wow.
I like that. I like
Did he
that.
just do tech blitz?
Work.
Knockdown. Nice.
He's still in there. Oh,
Slide, yep. Should get the corner. He's gonna get an actual combo. Knockdown. Dropping his setup. Perfect throw. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Ow.
Air dash. Far slash on the sword.
What did he hit that sword with?
Oh, 6P. To neutral. Swords, you're so bad. Oh my god, swords and so nerfed. Oh my god, this is so depressing.
Wow.
Far slash. That is depressing. That is actually depressing. I feel bad. I feel bad for Ram players. Only a little bit.
Man. So whack.
Every time Isaiah sets up a sword, Marv's like, sure thing, buddy. Throw.
He ran so far. Go.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
Aw, drops the jump slash.
Good knockdown. That's the 2D. Ooh, nice confirm, but
But he dropped it, yeah.
nah, it was a little too high. I think you would do that on like a ground confirm, not an air confirm.
I thought you were gonna say heavyweight character, but no.
Well, the
Oh, try to super. Got it this
fourth
time though.
mate must be high.
Nice throw. Oof.
Oh.
Jump slash, far slash, nothing though. 6P clash with a jump heavy. Where's Zadaro, bro?
Yeah, he actually would have been able to confirm that.
Wow, he did what she was expecting it.
Wow.
Whoa, he air dashed through the bird.
On it. Yeah.
These people are
Wow.
respect.
You guys just play?
These people have no respect. I thought we were having a friendly lobby to showcase and play the Japanese, but apparently we're not. That's not what we're doing. Like my bad, guys. I didn't know it was like this. I didn't know it was like this. I thought these were casual, but nah.
Wow.
Nice.
2-2. Some disrespect to that shit. Japan stream froze. Stop playing. Thought we were playing some friendlies. Apparently not.
Casual friendly.
Yeah, I think they should just play. They're already in there.
Oh, no, we're too high. He gets him knocked down off the JD. Isaiah trying to play neutral. Does he jump in? Combo, burst by Mar. Oh, he doesn't get the charge version of it. Oh!
Should have waited.
Wow, that actually hit the sword.
Yeah, I know. I thought Mo was gonna counter him, but
Yeah.
nah.
That's so whack.
I'm sorry, Ramlethal. I'm sorry, Ramlethal players all like 1.5 you in the world. Yo, can we not have some LFL defenders in this chat room, please? Can you guys take it somewhere else? Can we take it to Game Fast where it belongs? Oh god. Oh.
Crutch overhead.
Yo, crutch overhead, son.
Putting in so much work.
The mix-ups. That's the 50-50?
Oh, wow. Good match, Marv. Now you gotta hold this. Oh,
Nice.
Never mind. I got pulled in.
5K. Too far.
Game Fat is gonna fly out lost on GSP.
Ooh, cross up jump S.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Try to dust. Wow.
Oh god. Oh, he drops it, that would have been it.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Up by Ray.
Ow. Yep. Wow.
Okay. Terrified.
Oh, he blocked the crutch.
Got the throw. Oh, GG. Yeah.
Wow.
Got him.
Got him.
Ramlethal.
Kyohei Chaz.
Wait, like,
What?
figure out if Efute can stream?
Wait, he ran in the